Step 6. Door installation. The first job is to fit the 3 internal finish cornices on the counterframe, 1 at the top and 2 at the sides. As we can see, after we have checked the length, it may be necessary to cut the upper and lateral cornices if the thickness of the covering exceeds the edge of the counterframe. Next, we apply the silicone coating and install the cornices. The door anchorage holes, up to now protected by adhesive tape, must be freed. After we have applied silicone to the finish cornices installed previously, we install the door. To facilitate fitting it, taking into account the pipes and the electrical sheaths on the counter frame, we advise you to open the leaf which shuts off the technological systems. Then, we insert the first screw on the top side without tightening. While keeping the door lifted, we insert the lower external cornice and then we insert the other 2 lateral screws without tightening. In the lower internal part, we now install the drip unit, a profile which makes the water flow to the inside. In this case too, if the thickness of the covering exceeds the edge of the counterframe, it may be necessary to cut the profile to measure. After we have applied silicone to the door's external cornices, we install them by means of a practical system which makes it possible to adapt the profile to the different thickness values. We can now tighten all the door screws and insert the closing plugs of the compartments housing the screws. The packing also contains a seal, which, when installed on the edge of the door's glass panel, ensures it is hermetically sealed. If the door does not adhere perfectly, adjustments are possible by turning the adjusting ring nut low down, as we can see the operators doing.